Okay, now example 3. Now we're going to compound it daily. Okay, so how much more do you think we're going to need now? We're going to compound it 365 times 2, 730 total times in 2 years. Once a day. Should be a whole lot more. So right now we know 1210 was what we started off with annually. We did it monthly, that got us $10 more. So now we're going to do it 365 times twice, so 730 times.
Compared to 24.
Yeah, how much?
Compared to 24 times.
Yeah, compared to 24 times. Be a lot more money, a little bit more money. Let's find out. The final amounts we're looking for, and the principal is still $1,000, and the rate is still 10%, and the number of times we're compounding in a year is 365, and the number of years we're doing it for is 2. So again, be very careful. The n is how many times it happens in a year, not how many times it's happening for the life of the investment. Again, our formula is P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. And again, if I substitute all the numbers I know, 1,000 goes in for P, 1 is 1, R is 0.1 divided by 365. We're taking that 365 times 2 power, which I've already told you is 730. Let's just say we didn't know it was 730. Let's say it was like, maybe like 365 times 13. Maybe we're leaving it for 13 years. 365 times 13 is hard, isn't it? I don't want to do 365 times 13. So, again, let's look at putting this in our calculator. So if I can, if you guys on your homework give me this list of numbers, and you put in the formula correctly, all those numbers where they belong correctly, I have no problem with you coming to your calculator just typing in that expression. So 1,000 times parentheses 1 plus 0.1 divided by 365 in parentheses caret. Now, again, it's 730. Obviously, I've already told you it's 730. But let's say we don't know it's 730. If I'm going to type in 365 times 2, I'm going to put parentheses 365 times 2 in parentheses. Make sure if you want more than one thing being raised to, like more than one power up there, you got to put parentheses around the whole expression.
Unless you're using more than.
And notice we get $1,221.36. We're getting rich now. Okay, so oh, 37 cents. I just cheated myself out of a penny there. 37 cents. Let's round correctly. When you're dealing with money, we always round to the nearest hundredth. All right, so difference between compounding monthly and daily was about 98 cents. All right. Not a whole lot of money. It was still more money, right? And again, we did it more often, we got more money, but not a whole lot more money. So going from yearly to monthly was a $10.39 change. Going from yearly to daily is a $11.37 change. Okay, the more often you do it, the more money you get, but again, it's not a whole lot more money. If they said hourly, it'll be just a little bit more than that. If they said secondly or minutely, it'd just be a little bit more than that number. So the point is, you're not going to get a whole lot more than that. The interest is what it is. The 10% interest rate is a great interest rate. If you get a chance to get one like that, take it. All right.